Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. Besides free beer, the next most popular thing to bring to a cookout, a family get together, a funeral, or a potluck at work is gotta be potato salad. And everyone has their own secret recipe for their own favorite potato salad. I pretty much like all kinds of potato salad except store-bought potato salad, which is the worst thing in the world you could eat and it should be outlawed. I've never had a store-bought potato salad that I even cared for. I'd rather eat a jar full of pickled pig's lips than store-bought potato salad. Wait a minute, I have eaten pickled pig's lips. And they were delicious and much better than store-bought potato salad. So today, I'm going to make a potato salad that is most likely unlike any potato salad you've ever had. So let's get started. So here I have a couple of red new potatoes that I've cut in half, a red onion that I've sliced in about quarter-inch slices, and an orange and a yellow bell pepper that I've sliced in half. Normally, bell peppers wouldn't go on my normal potato salad, but this potato salad, like I said, is different. Now lightly drizzle the vegetables with some cooking oil. And then season with salt and pepper. And then give them a good mix until everything's coated. Now, although I'm using my grill to cook these vegetables and give them a nice char, fear not. If you don't have a grill, you can use your broiler. I have the temperature of my grill set to about 450 degrees. And then we're going to close the lid and let these cook for about 5 minutes. After grilling for about 5 minutes or so, or once they reach the perfect level of charification, flip them over. And then repeat the same process until your potatoes are tender. Once the potatoes are done, repeat the same process with the vegetables. I don't like mushy vegetables, so I only cook mine for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. If you like your vegetables more tender, cook them for a little bit longer. After 2 to 3 minutes, give them a flip. Once the vegetables are cooked to your desired doneness, remove them from the grill. And once everything is cooled down, cut it all into bite-sized pieces. I already know Scooter is going to have something to say. You should have removed the skins from the bell peppers. I'm just saying. Well, if you'd like to remove the skins from your bell peppers, that's fine. And now for the dressing for the potato salad, which of course has to start off with mayonnaise, and then for something different, some Dijon mustard. Then add some salt and pepper, or whatever flavors you like to add. Then give it a quick mix. Next, add a few chopped up hard-boiled eggs, and it was at this point I realized I should have added bacon to this. Well, it's too late now, but I'm going to do it next time. Once you've added the eggs, add the grilled onions, the grilled peppers, and the dressing. And you have to put everything in that exact order, otherwise this potato salad won't turn out right. Now in the beginning, it's going to look like you added way too much mayonnaise and it's going to look wet. But after it chills in the refrigerator for a couple hours, the starches in the potatoes will thicken everything up. And just for a little bit of added color, add the green tops of spring onions. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.